Redlands versus Costa Mesa, Ocean View Tournament, October 14th, 2022. Okay, dark wins. Costa Mesa, number 8 against number 3. Okay, it's over. Exclusion on number 14. Exclusion on number 14, drawn by number 11, I think. Okay, number 7 with it. Number 2. 5, number 7. Number 8. Number 7. And save, goalie save. Up. Dart gets it. Okay, inside the 2, no shot. Number 5, Dart White with it. Number 5 White. Number 12. Shoots and score. Number 12. 1-0 Redlands. That was number 5, number 12. 9 Dark with it. 9 Dark. 8. Number 8 gets it. Bad pass. Goes it up to number 5. Number 5 with it. Number 8. Oops, number 8 with it. And number 9. No. Trying to pick it up from on top. Okay, I'm starting to see some teamwork here. This is awesome. Dark. Number 8. Number 5. Back to number 8. Number 6. Number 9. Oh, it's knocked away. Goal by number 9. From number 5 to number 9. Nine White. Number 7. Number 3. Oh, dude, you're laying on your back. You waited too long to give it to him. Bad pass by number 3. Number 8, Dark with it. Number 11, nope. Oh, dude, seriously. Why throw it ahead of yourself? Why throw it ahead of yourself? I don't know if I've told you guys, but I tell the little young guys, stop throwing the ball ahead of yourself. It's going to be stolen. It's going to be stolen when you throw it away from yourself. Okay. 6 with it. Goalie save. Number 12. Number 9. Oh, number 9. Nice job. There we go. We are getting counters, guys. Out of that defense, we are getting counters. This is awesome. Can you guys see the benefit of that particular defense? Our goalie's stopping the ball. We're getting stops. It's 2-1 Redlands. Number 9, Dark with it. Don't let him come in and shoot. Okay, number 3 with it. There's a goalie save. Number 5. And then number 14. Oh, dude, seriously. Why did you try to catch it with your left hand? Exclusion on number 7. You tried to catch it with your left hand. Two to 2. Okay, number 9. Number 5. Goal. Number 5. Nice. Good entry pass. Number 9 to number 5. Nice job. 3 to 2. Dark with it. Eight. Number 11. Oh, tried a backhand. Doesn't go. I think it might have been a save, but I don't know. Perfect pass to number 8. Throw. Come on, we gotta get somebody moving. You gotta get. Oh, dude, you put it in the water. You put it in the water after you caught it. This is a bad habit. Quit agonizing and play the game. 7 Dark with it. 7 to number 11 Dark. 3 to 3. Hey, here we go. Number 9 with it to number 14. Number 7. Why do you keep trying to catch it with your left hand, Humiston? You keep putting your left hand up to catch it. And to number 14. What? Why? Dude, you have a free pass. Oh, Jace, you're not actually looking for the ball. Stop agonizing, Jace. Come back and play defense. You're just sitting there looking. That's your fault again.
Jay, stop agonizing and come back and play defense. That's all you're doing. You guys are just driving right into each other. Oh, dude, you were so far outside the post. There's no way that's a shot. That's a pass.
Quarter. Redlands versus Costa Mesa. It's 5-3, Costa Mesa. And number 8, Dark, wins the sprint against number 3. Okay, number 2, Dark with it. He gets the foul. Number 8. Number 8 with it. Number 5. Number 8. Number 8 with it. He's gonna shoot. Oh, goalie save. Nope. Nobody there. Nobody there. All sitting watching. Okay, 6-3. Okay, back to number 9. Over to number 7. 7 with it.
Over to number 8. Oh, that's a bad pass. Guys, you're just sitting again. You're sitting and letting. Oh, nice turn. Exclusion. Drawn by 8.
Number 5, Dark.
Number 7 with it.
7 and number 9.
Over number 8. Number 5.
Oh, don't try to do this fancy stuff. Number 9. Oh, to number 14. Goal. Okay, good job.
6-4.
Goal by number 5. Nobody went to stop him.
Everybody just sat there and watched.
Seven to 4.
Okay, number 12.
Number 9. Number 8. Down to number 5. Number 5. Good.
Goal.
Nice shot.
Okay,
7 to 5. That's how you play. That's you anticipate, watch the player, make the good pass. Good job. Okay, number 9, Dark with it.
number 8.
8 with it. Number 2. 2 Dark to number 8. And then number 11. Stolen. It's not quite. Almost. Get the ball. Oh, be careful. Don't just throw the ball away. Nice job. Okay, nice job, goalie. Number 12 with it. Number 8.
All the way down to number 3. You got a ball side. Into number 7. Put your hand on top of it. You're putting your hand on top of it. You're trying to pick it up by putting your hand on top of it, and you lose it. Okay, number 5 down to number... Okay, that was number 9. Bad defense. Okay, 8-5. Okay, number 9. Number 9 white with it. Over to number 8. Down to number 5. Good. Down to number 8. Nope, bad pass. Oh! Nope. Okay, number 7. Oh. All under. Good. There you go. That's why you press that. Okay, number 8 with it. Yep. Number 5. Over number 3. Oh, close. Number 9 gets it. Exclusion on number 1. Okay, number 8. Goal, number 5. 8-6. Number 11 dark. Back to number 9. Number 2. Number 11. Number 5. 5, number 11. Number 7. Nope. Number 9. Nope. Stolen. Stolen. Good. Number 7. Dude, you keep putting your hand on top of the ball when it comes to you because you keep trying to pick it up from on top. Up. Number 9 and number 11, double exclusion. Number 5. Number 5 with it. You're not stop blocking. Okay, good save by the goalie. Okay, good. Stolen. Got rebounds grabbed by number 3. Okay, now here we go. 5 right with it. Number 7 with it. And number 12. Oh, let's try the sweep shot. That's all right. It's okay. You were a little far out. You were posted up pretty far out, though. If you were into 2 meters, that probably is a goal. Uh-oh. Stolen by number 5. Good. Exclusion on number 9. with it.
5 white with it. Number 7.
Number 5. Number 7. Number 3. Number 5.
To number 8.
Why are we making such terrible passes? It's incredible.
Okay. Number 8, dark. Stolen by the goalie. Oh no, Seth, you put your hand on top of it instead of sweeping it away. Yes, Seth, sweep it away. Okay, 9-6.
Nine white with it.
Dude, you put your hand on top of the ball. I don't know how many times we tell you, stop putting your hands on top of the ball to get control of it. You guys never listen. Okay. Number 8, dark with it. All right, third quarter, Redlands versus Costa Mesa. Okay, 8 wins the sprint by default. 8 dark. Number 7 with it.
7 over 5.
8. And a goalie save. Number 8 shot it, goalie save. 8 white with it.
Number 7.
Goal, number 7. 9-7.
Yeah, 11 dark with it.
Now 9.
Number 7. Okay. Oh, contra foul. Number.
I don't know what number that was. Maybe number 11? Not sure.
Number 7. Number 5. Number 3.
Number 5.
Nope. Dude, you're gonna dump it. There you go.
Good job. Nice job dumping it.
Number 11. Oh, goalie save.
Good job, goalie. Nice job. Nice. There we go. That's how you do it. Right there.
Number 8, white with it.
Over number 3.
3.
Got way too many guys trying to post up. Guys, you do not have all day. You do not have all day. Okay, 8 dark with it. And a counterattack.
Number 11. Number 9. Penalty. Penalty on number 9.
Goalie save. There we go.
Okay, number 8, white with it. Number 5. Oh, he's all over him. He swam right over the top of him. 8. 8 white. Down to number 7. Put the ball in the water. You put the ball in the water again. Stop putting the ball in the water. You just told me you could break that habit, and you obviously cannot. Number 11 with it. Number 6. Number 6 to number 8. No, off the post. Guys, you need to be quick. What are you doing? Lambert. What were you doing? You didn't even look, Lambert. You just threw it back. Nobody pressing you. You had a free pass. Why would you just fling it randomly? You guys don't think. You just act. You need to think while you are playing this game. You can't do this on your back, Griffin. Going down to number 12. 12. Up to number 14. That's a bad pass. You didn't throw it to safe water. You threw it right to his face, and he was half-fronted. Guys, you're not thinking. You're just acting at this point. Okay. Number 5 with it. Tip. Oh, nope. 12 with it. 12 white with it. There we go. See, that's how you don't throw it back to the goalie for no reason. You guys are playing well, except you're not thinking. 14 with it. They've got him double teamed. We must have... Richie, why are you not anywhere near the offense? Why are you sitting back at your own 6 meter doing nothing? Okay, number 8 with it. Now go to him. Number 5. 5 dark with it. To number 8. You're doing nothing. You're doing nothing. Okay, 5. Okay, off the post. Taken by number 8. Taken by number 8. It's 10-7 right now. 10-7. Down to number 12. Oh, guys. Why are you making these crappy passes on somebody who's guarded? You're putting it right in his face instead of putting it in safe water. Okay, to number 9. Number 3. Oh! There we go. 14 gets the rebound. Goal. 10-8. It was a good idea, trying to throw it over, but Jace, you missed it, and fortunate enough to get the rebound. Very nice. 11 dark with it. Number 9. Number 7. Number 7. Somebody's got to collapse back and take him. Richie, you're just sitting doing nothing. Richie, you were just sitting there. You didn't do anything. You were sitting in the middle, doing nothing. Okay, 11-8. Number 14. 14, number 3. Number 12. Oh. Field block. Okay, number 8. Exclusion on number 12. Nope, exclusion on number 14. Oh, into number 9 for a goal. I think that was number 2 to number 9. 12 to 8. You're letting this corner get away from you. Okay, number 9, number 9, number 3. Number 3. You guys. Oh, number 8 down to number 7. Nice. Number 7. 12 to 9. It was from number 8 to number 7. Goal. 12 to 9. Number 5. Oh, dude. Terrible lob technique. Nope, you didn't use your lob technique at all. 4th quarter. Redlands versus Costa Mesa. Okay, number 8, Dark. He's going to win it by default. Number 7. Five. 8. Oh, nice. No! Dudes, stop throwing it back without looking. I am so sick of seeing that. Oh, number 9. Oh. Exclusion. Number 9 draws an exclusion. Look at number 7. Look across. Damn it. Number 9. Goal. Nice job. Number 5, number 9. You had it with number 7 right after the exclusion. You had Humiston wide open. You guys don't look for the open guy. Okay, so here we are, 13 to 10. You guys are playing very well together. You guys are playing together. This is what is keeping you guys in this game. You're playing together. Okay, number 5, Dark. Down to number 6. 6. Oh, yes. Oh, almost stolen. Nope, nope. Still dark ball. Still dark ball. Still dark ball. Number 8. Number 9. Just with it. Oh, nice. Stolen by number 9. Good. Go with it. Number 8. Go. Goal. Number 8. 13 to 11. Nice counter. Beautiful counter. Nice counter. This is water polo, guys. You're counting, you're playing defense and countering off of your steals. This is water polo. This is how we should be playing. Okay, line Dark with it. 13 to 11. 5. Number 7. You guys are talking to each other. I hear you. Number 6. Go get him. Don't drop back. Oh, nice. Taken away. Goalie save. Number 8. Force it. Force it. Don't force it. Don't force it. Give it to the middle. Here you go. Down line. Number 7. And number 9. Good. Step away. Number 5. Oh, come on. Number 14. Goal, number 14. There we go. 13 to 12. Number 5, number 14 for a goal. Okay, here we go. Line with it, line dark. Okay, that's the goal. Far out. Timeout. Timeout white. This is what happens when you play together, guys. You are playing together right now. And you are keeping right up with this other team. Okay? This is good water polo for you guys. I hope you are learning from this. This is awesome to watch. White with it, number 7. Guys gotta move. Guys gotta move. Dude, you try to put your hand on top of it again. Okay. Oh. And into number 5. It was too crowded. That was not the right pass. It was way too crowded in there. Number 7. That was number 8 to number 7. Or number 9, number 7. Number 9, go. Guys, bad entry pass turned into a counterattack. He tried to force it in instead of passing it around. He tried to force it into somebody. Okay? That's just not going to work. On a double post, it is way too easy for the other post defender to crash on it. So you've got to make a good entry pass. It has to be clearly wide open. Roland, you are not getting in front. You are doing nothing. That's not going to work, Lambert. He was fronted. Go under. Oh, holy cow. You turned it too far away. Number 8 with it. Over to number 12. Goal. There we go. Didn't get it. Number 8 to number 12. Goal. 14 to 12. 14 to 13. Sorry, 14 to 13. Good. That was good water polo, guys. Nice counterattack off of that. Very nicely done. Yes, number 9, number 7, number 7 with it, and field block, and number 7, nicely done. Out to number 3. Oh, stop, Humiston. Okay, I see. Number 14 or number 12. Goal, number 12. Tie game. Goal, number 12. Tie game. 2:42 left. Number 11 to number 5. I think you guys have the momentum right now if you keep this 5, number 6, or number 7, number 5. Exclusion. Goal, number 11. Exclusion on number 9. Okay, here we go. Iron Man for the rest of the game, guys. 2:21 left. Okay, number 8 with it. Number 7. Okay, number 7 with it. Dude, you got to do something with it. You can't just hold it forever. God dang it. You guys, nobody was releasing. Nobody was helping. Number 8, or number 11 with it. Guarded by number 8. Into number 7. Taken by the goalie. There we go. There we go. Okay, number 3 with it. Exclusion, number 6, Dark. Okay, over to 8. Number 8, number 5. Number 5, number 8. Ugh, come on. Stop with the fancy stuff, guys. Just make a pass. Oh, oh. Ball under. Get it, Jace. Don't just sit there. Swim, Jace. Play defense. Tired of seeing you sitting there agonizing. 47 seconds left. 15-14. Okay. Here we go. Last possession, guys. Number 3 with it. Down number 12. Oh, oh, that was so close. That was so close. That was a good try. That was an excellent try. Really, it was.